Hello, my name is Selinda Davidson and I'm at Arts at Ninuku Arts Center. Ninuku is in my home community Kalka, which is in SA on the border of NTW. Ninuku was built in 2006 by local artists like my grandmother and grandfather. Today, artists from Vivek and Kalka paint here in the most remote art center in APY Lands. First time I tried glass blowing was back in 2018 at the Factory in Adelaide. After that, I got really good at painting glass and people start to ask me for exhibition. I paint my story Tali Chota, showing the center of my country. I like painting because I got lots of artists in my family and I like to connect to that history. After I paint on the glass, sometimes I spread my design on top. Then it gets fire in a special machine here at Ninuku to make the paint stick. After that, we sent it to the factory where they thread the glass to the shape that we want. 2021, I traveling to Adelaide to work with Claire Belbridge Factory studio to practice my glass painting and drawing. My glass painting have been in big gallery in Broome, Sydney, Adelaide and Melbourne. I'm happy to keep learning and practicing my glass painting to share people palya.